Today, I'm about to change the way you create AI characters forever. And the best part is this is going to be completely free. I am Kevin Philip, your internet AI doctor, and welcome back to Rhino Hustle, the channel where we turn AI into real opportunities. Ever struggle to keep your AI character consistent across multiple images and animation and even an entire story? In this video, I will share exactly how you can keep these AI characters 100% consistent, doing what you want without changing the look, the personality. Everything is going to be 100% original. I have spent weeks testing every method and I'm giving you the perfect workflow on how you can create ultra realistic, persistent AI character step by step. By the end of this video, you should be able to create an AI character that keeps the same face, same style, same personality every time. And also, this is going to be perfect for storytelling, social media, and animation. 100% free AI tools are what you're going to be using in this video. And by the end of this video, you should be able to generate your own AI character that's going to be consistent, fully consistent across all the platforms. So let's just go right into the video and start. Let's jump right into my laptop screen and proceed. Alright, the first step we're going to be talking about in this video is building the perfect AI character profile. Before jumping into image generation, AI image generation, we need a detailed character profile. This is the secret sauce to maintaining consistency. So if you don't have a prompt, you simply come to ChatGPT and write. So you can just write something like this and hit it send. But since I already have the prompt I'm going to be using for this video, you can click on this and send. It can ask you to provide more details. Now, this is it. Ask for more detail. You can just say, okay, do this in your own way. So it's going to be generating something relating to this. So you can see it generated something. But I already have something I want to use. So let us head on to Image FX Google Lab. This is a Google Lab image generator. So this is what we're going to be using for today. So the first prompt I'm going to be using to work with it is this. I'm going to paste the first prompt over here. And this is something I use. A young man named Jesse, 24 years old, with wavy auburn hair cascading over her shoulders and the rest. Now, to save time, we need to add some details to this to keep it 100% sharp. Now, we need to add high contrast. Okay, we need it to be high contrast. Okay, high contrast. All right. So after adding high contrast, it must be highly detailed. So it should be highly detailed and realistic what it generates for us. After that, you can go ahead now and smash the generate button. But note, there is something important you need to do, a crucial step you need to do. You need to go ahead and lock this. Now, this is next to the most important thing you need to do, because keeping your image consistent, you need to lock this up. Basically, a game changer for this, it prevents the AI from randomly altering and changing the face of your character. So to keep it consistent, you have to lock it, then hit on the create. So let us see what it generates for us. Then I will show you what we're going to be doing and what proves this to be consistent. Now guys, while it is generating for us, please go ahead and subscribe, like, drop a comment. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment, share, write it, and boom, this is our image. So you can see this is the character you're going to be using for this video. So we have already generated this character. So this is the first prompt. So to maintain the consistency of this, we're going to be getting another prompt for this. I have all my prompts listed and I'll be dropping it in the video description in the file if you want to use it and test this out yourself. So let us get on with the second prompt I'm using for this video and proceed. Alright, so let us head on to my docs to get the second prompt for this. And this is the second prompt you're going to be using. Now we're going to be putting our character in action, just walking in the city. So let us copy this over here, highly detailed as well. Copy it and then bring it back to the image generation and make sure this is locked. So highlight this and now paste the new prompt and let's see whether it keeps it consistent while doing a different action. That is the whole essence of the video, to see the consistency behind the generation process of this. I'll use about 3 prompts to show you, and boom, you can see the same character has been used again in a whole different action. And this will show you that yeah, it's truly keeping it consistent while doing other things. Let us try the last prompt on my list and see, and if it really works all the way, then we're like, yeah, we have something really cute going on. So Jessie showcasing her artwork in a gallery. So this is where we're gonna be changing this again. So we have used the test step. This is the third one, and each time her face, her style, and her personality remains exactly the same, and that is what keeps it consistent. So turning the image into all this, and boom, you can see this is the art gallery and this is the same character. It is consistent in the same place. All right, so with this being said and done. The next step, which is the step 3, we're going to be turning AI image into a story. So how do we turn this into a story? Now let us bring Jesse to life, a storyline. So I have a storyline also kept, but then in case you don't have a storyline, you can just ask ChatGPT to create a short story about Jesse, a young artist discovering her path to life. So let me just get this all straight for you in my Google Doc. So we go ahead and ask ChatGPT, create a short, engaging story about Jesse, 24-year-old aspiring artist discovering her path in life, including key scenes of discovery and the rest. So let us hit it up over here. Jesse had always known she was meant to create. Ever since she was a child, she found comfort in sketching and napkin. Alright, so let's copy this prompt over here. Alright, now this is the whole story about Jesse. So go ahead and copy this story over here and take it. So let us see what it generates for. Like I said earlier, we are going to be putting Jesse into a storyline. So let us come to our image lab and paste this. Paste it over here and hit on the generate button. Let us see how consistent this keeps everything now. It's going to help you get everything consistent. Keep the AI character consistent, and the consistency is the power of your whole work. So let us see the final generation and see how it gets to where Jesse becomes an artist, and boom, you can see her in a studio painting her whole work and everything. So the whole character has been kept consistent from the beginning. Now this is to show you that the AI character, the image effects help you keep consistent AI character while maintaining personality, exact dressing, and the same way, but changing environment and changing things around. This is very important, and AI character consistency is equal to power. Most people fail at AI character creation because they skip this part, but now you have the Rhino hustle strategy to create consistent professional characters for AI. We have done the storytelling, the animation, comic and graphic novels, marketing and branding. You can use this consistency for all that. Remember to have a solid character profile, log the seed number, keep the core description unchanged, combine AI generation into a story. Now I hope this tutorial opens up a new creative possibilities for you. Keep hustling, keep creating, and I will see you in the next video. This is Calvin Philip signing off from Rhino Hustle. Drop a comment below what kind of AI character content you want to create next. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's grow together. See you all next time.